Today, we're unboxing and assembling the new OneSport OT16-2, a lightweight, folding, and budget-friendly e-bike. So, without further ado, let's get started! Inside the box, you'll find the accessory kit, a mobile phone holder, the saddle ready to install, and the OT16-2 itself, neatly folded and well protected. Quick tip: remove the battery first to make it easier to lift the bike out of the box. Start by removing all zip ties and protective materials. Begin assembly by installing the handlebars. Align the inner groove, then with the stem folded, slide the handlebar into the stem neck, unfold the stem, and lock the folding lever. Adjust the nut and quick release lever for the handlebar height until the pressure feels secure, then lock it firmly. Make sure everything is properly tightened for a safe ride. Don't forget to lock the frame folding lever as well. Inside the accessory box, you'll find a plug adapter, a pair of aluminum pedals, an optional half throttle, a small bell, a toolkit, a user manual, spare zip ties, a manual air pump, a battery charger, and a mobile phone holder. To install the saddle, release the quick release clamp and slide the seat post into place. Adjust the nut tension so it holds the tube securely, then lock it. That's it! To attach the rear mudguard support arms, remove the screws on both sides, position the arms, and secure them back in place. The pedal marked L goes on the left side. Screw it in by hand, counterclockwise, then tighten it with a 15mm wrench. Repeat the process for the right pedal, but tighten it clockwise. If you choose to install the throttle, start by removing the original hand grips. A useful tip: lay the bike on the ground, create a small gap between the handlebar and the grip using a screwdriver, add a little water inside, then pull the grip off. Loosen the brake lever and gear shifter using a hex key and screwdriver. Install the half throttle, followed by the plastic spacer, and then the new grip. It may require a bit of force to fit properly. Use a hex key to securely fasten the throttle in place. If needed, adjust the handlebar position by loosening the two main stem bolts, repositioning it, and tightening everything securely. Once done, reposition and tighten the brake lever and gear shifter. Then connect the cable by aligning the marked arrows. Use a hex key to adjust the display to your preferred angle and install the bell using a screwdriver. Fold the saddle to reinstall the battery and make sure to lock it with the key. Inflate the tires. Download and pair the OneSport app to get the most out of your OT16-2. And that's it, you're ready to ride. Enjoy!